Okay, we just finished church and hey, should we go get some hot chocolate and go pick out a real Christmas tree?
Yes!
Woohoo! What do you guys got?
Hot chocolate.
Ooh, let me see yours, Brody. Wow. Is it good?
Yummy.
Boys.
What?
Ah, are you ready? Ready to get a tree? Run, 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 run. Good, how are you?
Look at those reindeers.
Can we get one?
You gonna use your piggy bank money?
Yeah.
Sawyer, you're gonna pick one of these little trees with a stand, okay? Brody, do you like that one? Bro, come here. Hey, who's right there?
Jenny.
Jenny, are you getting a Christmas tree too?
Did you pick out a tree, Jenny?
Jenny, is this your first Christmas tree picker outer day?
Over there.
Wow.
Hashtag Christmas tree picker outer day. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
These are the perfect size. Sawyer, is he taller than this tree? Look. Whoa, are you? Whoa, it's still taller.
Wow.
When you guys are taller than. Let's see, are you as tall as that one? Put your arms up high. So Brody, you do this one. Arms up high.
Oh, Birdie's gone. Almost,
You're
dude.
almost as tall as that one.
Look at
Brody.
Can we go to a store that has popsicle sticks and get some popsicle sticks, and when we get home, and get some glue, and when we get home, we can glue the popsicle sticks together and make a reindeer for me.
That's a good idea, buddy.
That's such a good idea.
And we can get some more.
$10 versus $100.
And we can make it. I'm as tall as you.
Almost as tall. Let's see. I don't think so. Not quite. There's still some size ahead of you. Hey, this way, bud. The trees are over there.
What?
Let's go find the small trees. Come on, run. Oh, there you go. That's the right size. That's the right size.
You guys, that's the one. Okay,
That's the one?
that's the one. Take a picture with Daddy. Everyone say cheese.
Christmas tree. No, say Christmas tree. Boo boo.
Okay. Okay, Daddy's gonna load this giant tree on the top of our car.
Oh, so heavy.
Not giant. It's little.
It is.
There you go.
I like this little thing on here.
Yeah, one of our friends did that last year.
So cool. Was it from one of your trees?
Yes, yeah, it had a little bit of extra on the bottom of the trunk, so we just cut it off and we made that.
That's awesome. And we get a mug. Thank you.
All right, boys.
This is cute, guys. Oh,
We
wow.
make new ones every year, so we all come back.
All right. Let's see it, Sawyer. Sorry. Go, buddy, go. Say cheese.
Jenny's a blanket.
Jenny. She's in there. All right, we're looking for popsicle sticks. Doesn't look promising.
So here's the thing, though.
There's some pencils.
But they have popsicles. So we just get our lick off.
Or just put them underneath the faucet.
Mama, I think the pencils are popsicle sticks.
You think?
We got firewood.
Do they have firewood?
Somebody will have firewood. It's the winter.
Well, somebody will have popsicle sticks too. We're trying to find stuff here
We could walk.
because this one is snoring and we're trying to give her some more time to sleep. So it's got to be walkable.
Supplies.
Say that again.
You missed it.
Can I get
What about feminine supplies?
What kind of feminine supplies? We making a snowman?
No.
Can I really not?
The little, use your nails. Those look like popsicle sticks.
Those are not feminine supplies. If you use them, if you use those as feminine supplies, you've got a bigger problem. Ooh, emery boards. That's what he meant. Emery boards. That's what you meant? Those would be nail supplies, not feminine supplies.
I'm already getting this.
Okay.
I want this for Christmas.
I found them. Look,
See?
we can make them out of these. These are like popsicles.
Are they soft? Are they soft though?
Brody.
I want to get one.
No, they're like wood.
They're like wood.
Brody, why did you hit those out of my hands? Here, it's buy one, get one 50% off. Look at that. You can have one too. You little crazy kid. That was like a little challenge video we didn't even know we were gonna do. What else could we get for the nose? We need something for the nose because it's a reindeer.
No. I actually changed mine.
He's gonna make a camel.
What? Oh, this makes it much more complicated. Okay, actually, we could get some nail polish and some cotton balls
We don't need nail polish.
to color it. Camel color. Camel color.
No.
Is that the camel color?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Got it. Yeah, buddy. Nice cow. Uh-oh. Nice, dude. Good job. Okay, let's put our Christmas lights on it. There you go. Look how cute it looks. Can you put the star on?
But it's kind of wiggling.
Okay. Put it on this one. Whoa! You did it! Okay, where's the ornaments? Push them all the way in. Spread them out. Go lower, Sawyer. Go lower.
But this was not working.
One more time. Yeah. Let's go make the camel. What are you doing?
Yeah, my snack.
I thought you were going to be making a camel. Okay, do we want to make a camel? I think we should make a reindeer.
No.
Why?
Camel.
How do we make a camel with these?
And then you just make a triangle. Then after that we make a straight line. Like make the triangle small like this. Then do a straight line. And then another line up. And then another one. And then another one over here. And then cut it here. And then cut it here. And then put it there. And then make teeth. That's how you make it.
And that's the hump?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Like this.
And that's, where's the head? Up there?
Here.
Where are the legs?
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna look like.
Don't follow our parenting advice using super glue. I couldn't find any other glue besides glue stick. All right. So Sawyer, you know, I'm really proud of you. Originally, this started as you really wanting that thing at the Christmas tree lot, the reindeer.
Yeah.
And we said you couldn't have it, right? And so you thought, I know, I can make one at home. That was really smart. And then somehow along the way, we decided to make a camel instead of a reindeer. How did that happen?
It's just that I like things more.
Show the camera your camel.
Oh
You know, we could fill in the body of the camel with this.
yeah, I know.
Should we do that?
Do it. My camel toy.
Good job, Bubba. I'm proud of you.
I'll make something else.
Okay. So Tyler and I just did a nice little refresh, took all of Sawyer's birthday things down, and we are actually going on a date night tonight. We are going to the Candlelight concert, and I'm so excited. We have not been on a date in honestly like a year. We went out for our anniversary, but besides that, not really. Life has been a little busy, so I'm gonna get ready here in a minute, and the babysitter's gonna come over. I'm gonna put Jenny down, and we're gonna go. And I'm gonna bring you with us. Okay. Babysitter's here. Baby is down. Lipstick is on. And we are ready to go. Look how Christmassy our neighborhood is. Everyone does these little loopy lights. Tyler finished them today. Good job, honey. They look so great. Oh, this is really good lighting. We are going on a date.
Yeehaw.
Speaking of lighting, we are going to a candlelight concert. More on that later. Okay, here is the Parthenon. Did you guys know we had that here in Nashville? It's literally an exact replica of the real Parthenon. If you guys have never heard of these, this is our second time going. They have amazing venues that they find. It's all around the country, all around the globe actually, in different countries as well. And they put on a concert that is fully candlelit. It is a beautiful, peaceful, serene, dramatic, depending on who you go and see. But it's an orchestra that has a performance, all different kinds of performances. If you love classical music, if you love movie scores, tonight we are actually going to one that is all the scores by Hans Zimmer, which is going to be really cool. And Tyler, you love movies.
Oh yeah, Hans Zimmer.
So we're really excited. We went to one that was for Coldplay last year. Anyway, I'm so excited. I'm going to show you guys a little bit about what this is like. And then if you guys are interested, you guys should go to their website. I'm going to link it in the description. You guys can find these concerts all around the globe. Enter in your information and you can find it. And if you guys buy tickets before the 25th of December, you will get 10% off using my code CDL Sharrah. I will put it right here on the screen. You guys will get 10% off. What? You guys will get 10% off your tickets. Are you excited?
Oh yeah, it's cold. That's all.
It's very cool. Okay, let's go. That was amazing. Wasn't that so good?
Bum 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 da-da. Bum 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 da-da.
Oh, that was so cool. Okay, just want to reiterate, you guys can use my code CDL Sharrah. I'll put it on the screen and put it down below, and y'all will get 10% off. Is it 10 or 15? Y'all will get 10% off your tickets before December 25th. Enjoy. Thanks for coming along. our fun family day.
Yeah. Can we get like a milkshake on the way home?
Milkshake. You know that your parents, and that's what you look forward to after a date, is a milkshake. Not a night dancing.
Well, your milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
Okay. And on that note, good night.